What's going on, guys? In this quick video, I wanted to make a short little video going over what is Master Filmmaker, what do we do, how do we help our clients, and how does that process actually work? Because some people don't necessarily understand what we do or how we do it. So I want to make a quick video just going over that. So Master Filmmaker is my company. I'm the owner, Eric Deeran. And basically what we do is we do everything outside of the actual technical side. So if you're a videographer, filmmaker, video business owner, creative agency owner, video agency owner, anybody who has a service and creates content for clients in some way, shape, or form, basically what we do is we help you market that content and we help you build out a system and a plan to actually be able to bring in more clients and actually build a sustainable business. So we mainly help with marketing, sales, and fulfillment. So that means like, how do I get more leads? How do I get more calls? How do I actually build out a fulfillment process where it's productized, it's a productized offer, and I'm able to bring people in and have a team take care of this stuff for me as opposed to me having to do all of the work. And so that's basically what we help with. We've helped, it says 350, but up to this point, it's about 412 video business owners one-to-one implementing these systems. So this isn't like a course or a coaching program. This is mainly a one-to-one service where we work with you, I work with you, my team works with you, and we build out a system and a plan to get you more leads, calls, and clients, and how to actually take care of those clients, get them amazing results, and ultimately be able to build a business that you love that serves you instead of you serving it, where you can take vacations, you can take more time off, you can have time with the family, you can work on passion projects, right? Whatever it is that you want to do, that's why we built the system so you can do that. And really our mission is to help video business owners reach more clients, tell more stories, and build a business that they actually love owning. Because there's too many creatives out here that do not make enough money and they're starving artists, which is why we started this program in the first place. And so a little bit about us, we have our team down here. Here are all the all-star people on my team. I got Ethan, Hakeem, Danny, Evan, Jake, Sam, the other Evan, Dan, and we have other people that we haven't added to the website yet as well. And then we just have client case studies, right? So like if you ever want to check out like what we actually do, you can come down here on the website, click see all client case studies, and you can watch case studies from our clients where I do little interviews with them and kind of just show you exactly what we do and how we help them and kind of their journey up to this point. And then we have our core values. So a little bit about what we stand for, what we say we do. So we say it, we do it. So we have a very high say-do ratio. So if we say we're going to do something, we do it. Next one is be your own boss. Then we have speed is king. Then we have do the boring work. We also believe in not sugarcoating it. So that means tell it how it is, be blunt, be direct, be upfront, be transparent. And these are really the tenets that shape our core values of who we are as a company. And if you want to watch a little bit more about what we do, there's a training up here. You could check this out. And then if you ever just want to check out what we actually do, you can go to my Instagram. I have a bunch of stuff on there as well. I post content daily, as you can see, and I have a bunch of helpful tips and tricks that I've learned. So I post stuff on there that you can check out. This is some of our clients wearing our awesome swag. I'm not wearing the hat today, unfortunately, but we ship out client care packages to our clients. They get some gear, they get to rep the brand. And then here's just a picture of our team when we went to Utah, took a team trip, our annual team trip, brought everybody out there and had a lot of fun. So little just intro about what we do. If you want to learn more, there's a link below this video. You can check out a little bit more in depth about what we actually do, how we help. But I just want to make a little video on like, we had people asking like, what is Master Filmmaker? What do you guys do? Like, how does it work? So I want to make a little video just going over that. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below this video and we'll see you in the next video.